Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Voicemod not working properly on Roblox. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first want to do is open up a Voicemod. So you can see I've got it opened up. Now we need to make sure it's turned on. So go ahead and click on turn voice changer on like so. And you should see a clean mic. Now from here you can go ahead and change your voice, and you can also test your voice. So you can click here to vibe and check in your voice, but I'm not going to do that because it's going to give bad replay while I make this tutorial. So yeah, go ahead and find what voice you want to change it to. Now make sure that is on. Then from there you're done in this side of Voicemod, so we can go ahead and escape that. Then come back to Roblox and then go ahead and click on the Roblox icon, get into settings. Then from there we need to go ahead and find, now look for input device. It should be above output device. Now if you don't have input device, it's because you're playing a game without voice chat. So find a game that has voice chat, and then you can change, obviously you can change your voice. So click into, so for example, for output device, so say if this is input, so you want to go ahead and click onto it and then find your voice mod. So yeah, just click until it says a voice mod, and then from there go ahead and click on resume.